So here's the thing. AI has moved way beyond experimentation phase. It's reshaping how work actually gets done. And if you're leading in a large organization right now, you're probably feeling the pressure. The companies moving fast on AI are gaining serious competitive advantages, while those waiting are watching that gap widen every day. My name's Llewellyn, and look, I get it. Rolling out AI at enterprise scale isn't straightforward. Now, I'm talking thousands of employees, multiple business units, complex legacy systems. You've got data scattered across silos, teams unsure about governance, compliance concerns keeping legal up at night, and everyone's asking the same question. How the heck do we scale this responsibly? The risk of delay is real because your competitors are already using AI to accelerate workflows, improve customer experiences, and drive innovation. But here's what I want to show you today. AWS has laid out a practical blueprint that breaks this down into 6 core pillars. Let me walk you through it. First up, the AI imperative. AI is shifting from experiments to enterprise-wide execution. We're seeing rapid adoption across every sector, agentic workflows that actually accelerate delivery, and C-suite ownership rising fast. The drivers are clear. This is about reinvention, not just efficiency. And the longer you delay, the bigger the competitive risk becomes. Because without this imperative owned at the top, AI stays fragmented across different departments. And fragmented AI never scales. The AI roadmap has to integrate with your enterprise transformation portfolio. Otherwise, priorities collide and delivery slows right down. Now, what separates successful transformations from the ones that stall? Well, 5 leadership principles. You need the right mindset from day one. Think at enterprise scale right from the start. Your CEO must lead the AI agenda, not delegate it. Your proprietary data is your competitive fuel. Security needs to be built in from day one, not bolted on later. And here's the key. Partners accelerate real delivery. You don't have to do this alone. Without CEO-level ownership, AI initiatives will get stuck in pilot purgatory. No budget authority, no cross-functional alignment, and no real impact. Now let's talk about data foundations, because this is where a lot of companies stumble. Modern AI depends on governed, multimodal, real-time data. You need to make the shift from structured data to multimodal. Build a lakehouse plus vector architecture. Establish strong governance and PII control. Get clear on data product ownership and maintain continuous quality and lineage. Without solid data foundations, your AI initiatives won't scale. And without real data ownership, you don't scale. Because no team has the authority to resolve conflicts across all functions. Next is agentic use cases. This is where AI really starts delivering value. We're talking about boosting team productivity, streamlining your key workflows and speeding up research cycles, elevating customer service, and coordinating multi-agent systems. These are not future concepts. Companies are deploying these use cases right now and seeing real impact. Most high-value use cases cut across functions, so without shared ownership, they stall before they even start. And without clear use cases tied to business outcomes, you build impressive demos, but they never leave the lab. Now, responsible governance. This keeps AI transparent, explainable, compliant, and trusted across all your stakeholders. You need to align AI with your mission, your values. You need to establish a governance group with real authority. Build openness and literacy across the organization. Maintain model inventories so you know exactly what's running and where. And demand explainable decisions, especially in regulated industries. Whether you align with the EU AI Act, NIST, or ISO 42001, or your own internal controls, governance isn't optional. It's structural. Without governance built in from day one, you're just one audit away from shutting down your entire AI program. Finally, scaling AI. This is where accuracy, auditability, and compliance come together. AI scales when these elements are designed in from pilot through to production. Scaling AI is really about industrializing how AI is built, deployed, monitored, and governed across every business unit. Replace endless pilots with structured programs. Take a compliance by design approach. Build continuous validation loops. Create transparent audit trails and put lifecycle monitoring in place right from the start. Without a disciplined scaling framework, every new use case becomes a custom reinvention. Expensive, slow, and unsustainable. Look, here's the bottom line. AI transformation isn't about having the fanciest models. It's about having the right foundations, the right governance, and the right partners to help you scale responsibly. The difference between companies that succeed with AI and those that struggle isn't technology. It's execution. It's having clear ownership, measurable outcomes, and the discipline to build trust into every system you deploy. That's what transforms AI from an expensive experiment into a genuine competitive advantage. If you want to take your AI leadership capabilities to the next level, check out the information below. I've also included a link to the full AWS document. It goes way deeper into each of these areas that I've just talked about with real case studies and implementation guidance.